afternoon and welcome to this Monday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We got a Saudi Air ambulance Gulfstream inbound from London. Hope you all had a great weekend. I'm still COVID positive, so I'm over here away from everybody. But we got this Saudi Gulfstream that's coming in. We have a 757 coming in later. We'll see if we stick around that long. And a DC-9 coming in. Dubai 1 flew in yesterday. 747, so I'm wondering if that might have something to do with this. But I hope that you're all having a great week. I'll try to keep the sniffling and the sneezing down while we try to do this video. Definitely feeling a little bit better today, not quite as tired, not as feverish. I'm trying to stay over here where no one's near me, so we shouldn't have any issues, getting anyone sick or anything like that. United 2659 inbound from O'Hare. I'm not using the lapel microphone today that I usually use for the voice. So if the audio is a little bit funny, that would be why. Unfortunately, I had to miss the Akron-Fulton Air Show this weekend. But we have the Cleveland Air Show in a couple of weeks. F-15s were just added today. So that should be a really great air show, really stacked air show. So looking forward to bringing that to you here in a couple of weeks. United 533 inbound from LAX. So I want to send a huge shout out to everyone who subscribed or who followed along for the Washington, D.C. Dulles A-Geek trip that we took last week. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure that's where I got COVID. There was a guy who was coughing and hacking like crazy on that trip, and he was near me a couple of times. I have a feeling that might be where I got it. But we got to see some pretty neat things while we were there. The Emirates A380, the Korean black-pink livery were both pretty cool. I do wish we spent more time actually spotting. It seemed like there's a lot of kind of behind the scenes and a lot of just kind of waiting on the bus, which was a little bit disappointing. I was really hoping to get a little bit more time outside watching the aircraft come in and go. But it just seemed like we definitely spent a lot of time on the bus. But I still need to go behind the scenes, and I certainly understand with the FAA ramp control and all that why they probably couldn't let us out too much, but still had a great time doing that. And a huge thank you to the Dulles Airport for letting us go hang out for the day. Got another United 1752 inbound from Newark. Saw some leaked photographs of a brand new 737 MAX 10. It's in the new SAF Sustainable Aviation Fuel livery. I'm not sure what I think about it. It looks like it's wearing a scarf. The whole rear of the airplane is blue, and it has like green and light blue stripes on it. Look kind of different. If you haven't seen the picture, definitely let me know what you think. American 2067 inbound from Dallas. We are dealing a little bit with the smoke again. Possibly could get worse during the week. It's supposed to be a really hot week. But definitely want to send my thoughts and prayers to everyone up in British Columbia, everyone up in Spokane County, Washington, Maui, dealing with some horrible fires. California, meanwhile, is dealing with the remnants of a tropical storm. So a lot of crazy weather, a lot of people being impacted, a lot of people losing their property. Unfortunately, a lot of people losing their lives too. So thinking about everyone out there and willing to do whatever it takes to help. 4301 inbound from JFK. I believe Elon Musk's jet is still here. I've not heard of it leaving. Last I heard, it was in one of the hangars. Hawker. Spirit 3160 inbound from Miami. Southwest 833 inbound from Midway. Blue 641 inbound from Boston. I'm on the wrong side if they're leaving. Actually, maybe it's under tug. Looks like it might be under tug. I wonder if they're moving it over to the Alpha gates. Haven't got any alerts that it's leaving. Here we go, Aeronaves flight 44. It's a DC-9 inbound from Chattanooga. Aeronaves is heading over to the South Cargo ramp. Just got an alert that their MD-83 will be coming in here in a couple of hours. We've been getting a lot of Aeronaves flights over the last couple of weeks. Usually I know they do car parts and whatnot, but we've had multiple MD-80s, DC-9s, you name it, parked over there. It's been pretty cool the last couple. Usually they come in late at night, but it's been pretty cool to see them parked over there. I'm not sure what they're doing with Dubai 1. They just have it parked over. Looks like they have the sea gates blocked off. I'm not really sure what they're doing or why they're moving it or what's going on here. Airliners 98 Kilo inbound from Dublin. Sounds like the load factors on this flight are doing really, really well. We might even see some expansion next year, which would be great to see. Maybe this will go to become a daily flight. think Minneapolis, and there's another city that's getting Airliners next year, and they're actually going to see 321 XLRs and maybe even A330s. It'd be cool if we got an A330 on one of these flights. United Flight 1717, it's a MAX 9 inbound from San Francisco. Looks like they might be putting bags in Dubai 1, so we'll keep an eye on it. These will probably switch sides after the 757 lands here in a few minutes. There's an Aeronaves MD-80 coming in as well. I haven't seen it go live yet though, so we'll keep an eye on that. Again, I don't have an exact time on Dubai 1, but just the fact that they moved it over to the terminal, you know, it looks like they're putting baggage on board. Makes me think it won't be there much longer. They'll probably leave tonight. Alaska Airlines 330 inbound from Seattle. And this flight is late today. It's about an hour and a half late. There's kind of a unique quirk on the schedule for, I think, January, February. They're going to pair the Cleveland flight and the Pittsburgh flight together. At least this is what I'm hearing, that they're going to pair the Cleveland and Pittsburgh flight together. So Alaska will go, I don't know if it's going to go Cleveland to Pittsburgh to Seattle, or if it's going to go Pittsburgh to Cleveland to Seattle. So we'll definitely let you know. I'm not going to lie, it's kind of tempting to book that flight just for the novelty of flying from, you know, nonstop from Cleveland to Pittsburgh. So we'll see how that goes. I hear it's a just like a temporary thing for the winter, but so we'll see if that actually comes. United Airlines Flight 2517 inbound from Los Angeles. 757-200 bringing the Los Angeles Dodgers into town. We'll be playing the Cleveland Guardians here in the next couple of days. Dodgers, I think have won something like 10 in a row or something like that, and the Guardians have really struggled the last couple of weeks. So probably not going to be a good week, but maybe our Cleveland Baseball Club will rise to the challenge here. Get back in the playoff race with about a month and a half to go. See, the X is gone, so they should be opening up 6 left here shortly. Came up here to the garage because I had a feeling that's where they were moving this. Bear with me for a second. I wish that Frontier wasn't there. So I have a feeling if they're moving this over here, that they're probably not going to hang around too much longer. So I don't think they'll want to leave this. I mean, I've definitely seen them leave it here overnight before, but I have a feeling that if it's over here on the Alpha concourse over by Customs, that they're going to want to get this out of here as soon as possible. So maybe it'll leave tonight. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Came over here to get the DC-9 taken off, as I got an alert for it, but it left early. I literally saw it take off right when I turned the corner over here by Grayton Road. So dang it. The MD-80 is inbound. It should be coming in about 5 minutes. But I want to get some shots of the 747 over here. They're definitely leaving soon. They got the cargo doors open, several trucks over there. There's a limo that pulled up. So they definitely have to be leaving soon. So we'll stick around and see what happens. Looking at the private jets that are over here. I saw a picture on Fox 8 News, the local news station here, of Elon Musk's jet inside the hangar, and I think, I don't know which one it is, but I think it's still in there. It's not the one sitting out. I think it is one of the ones that's sitting in the hangar, so don't know when it's going to leave, but I'd love to get that taken off. Aeronaves 288 inbound from Toledo. It's an MD-83.
Toledo. Golf Alpha, hold short of runway 6 right.
Golf Alpha, hold short runway right, Victor Tango Mike 2.
Tango Mike 288, cross runway 6 right at Alpha, and then ground time 7.
Roger, we cross the runway 17.
We're going to have to turn around, go short of runway 6 right.
Connection.
Confirming 1083 visual, 6 off. 1083, clearly turn runway 6 right, clear
Delta Flight 1025 heading to Atlanta. United 2547, it's our 757-200 heading to Dulles. And this will not be on the ground long. It should be completely empty. Sorry about that. Meanwhile, lots of activity over by the 747. We got 3 Penske trucks. A lot of people down there getting it loaded up. I have a feeling they're going to be leaving here pretty soon, so we'll stick around and see what we find out. No alerts, nothing has popped up on FlightAware, Flight Radar 24, anything like that, so we'll stick around and see what happens. But I've seen fuel trucks over there, and I've seen Penske trucks over there. They're loading it up. They got the cargo door open, so I'm pretty sure we're going to see that leave here in a little bit. Frontier. Amazing how small that Frontier is compared to the 747. Airlines 98 Juliet heading to Dublin. Got a United 737. Focus should be okay now. I had it screwed up. Everything's still set for the up close at Dulles. United paying for the whole runway as usual on their Max 9. I really wonder what the runway performance of that Max 10 is going to be like, especially fully loaded on a hot day. United. A whole bunch of spotters are showing up, so clearly we all know something's going to happen here soon to buy one. Guess I'm having a mask on, staying away from everybody. I gotta admit though, being outside today has really helped. Really feeling a lot cooler and just more awake. It's been really nice. You on a constant?
No, it's going around on Juliet.
4288, contact Cleveland Center, 120.
I know Juliet kind of like has that weird.
Yeah.
There, remember?
Looks like they're doing the pre-flight inspection. You see the flashlight?
The back one.
So it looks like we're getting closer to taking off. What is going on? We got a fire truck, ambulance, and an ops vehicle heading over. Fortunately, I think the emergency frequencies are locked for digital. Onto the 7-4. Well, they've gone to A9. So let's take it off. To the 7-4. Okay. You know, that could actually be whoever is on board this, if it's the king or a prince or whoever came into town. They might have gone over to the clinic, and this might be their ride back. If they came in for like a medical procedure or something like that. So it may not be an emergency or anything like that. It may just be bringing them back. Fire truck's interesting enough. Southwest 209 heading to Midway. Like a fancy Tahoe type vehicle, the white SUV. Some vans over there, so I think we're getting close. There's a fancy looking black SUV over there. Fire trucks heading out.
Those are their taxi cars.
One up here, there it is. Spirit 1069 heading to Las Vegas. Sloppy with this one. Aeronaves Flight 288 heading to Shreveport. be our MD-83. Listening to him on the radio, and he confirmed they're bringing out auto parts. We have had multiple Aeronaves flights and USA jets every day, it seems like, for the last maybe month or so. Alright, so we have a situation going on over here. Kind of seems to be the name of the game here at Hopkins over the last couple of weeks. The other day we had somebody break into the United hangar and steal their ice cream and ate 2.5 gallons, I think they said, of ice cream. And now we're having another situation over at Alpha 14, which should be the gate next to Dubai 1. A highly intoxicated female who is unable to care for herself and unwilling to go to the hospital and unwilling to cooperate with officials. So that's actually what's going on over here. So they got ambulances and fire trucks and police cars and all kinds of crazy stuff going on over there. I'm sure some of it has to do with security for the 747. But they said on the radio that we don't have a drunk tank. So you never know what's going to happen while you're up here. It seems like A14 is always the exciting gate. So that's why we got all these police cars and fire trucks and ambulances and everything like that going on over there. Meanwhile, it looks like we're about loaded. So once we get the security out of the way and get the intoxicated woman taken care of, we should be getting Dubai 1 out of here. Now that the excitement is starting to end, we got the Frontier train. They're all heading over for the runway. UPS is heading out. So we'll get that to party here in the next couple of minutes. Just realized we've seen 737s, 747s, 757s, and now 767s tonight. Should see a 777 later this week for the Browns. I thought this was Alaska, but it looks like it's Frontier. Got another Frontier, should be flight 1157 heading to Fort Lauderdale.
Lane 1 Hotel Echo, Cleveland, Airline.
Alaska 330 heading to Seattle. This flight has been super late today. It came in late and leaving really late. They were supposed to take off about an hour and a half ago, taxi to the end of the runway and then turn around, so I'm not sure what's going on here. think it's this one, Frontier 1140. I believe they're heading back to Fort Lauderdale. All right, we have a heavy jet. It's UPS 1441, our 767 heading to Louisville. Hey, we'll be in Louisville here in a few weeks. We're going to go down in October, spend some time with some family, and we will 100% spend at least one day at Louisville Airport, spotting all the UPS heavies that come in. Get some 747s, some 757s, 767s, as many Indy 11s as we can before they go away. Maybe we'll go to Kentucky Kingdom for a while. That might be a lot of fun, ride some roller coasters. We'll see. Maybe hit Cincinnati on that trip as well. It's going to be on the way. Think about live streaming that, so stay tuned. All right, we got another UPS. It's flight 1445, a 757 heading to Philly.
Forward speed is 21 girl.
Tired. Got to head on out here pretty soon. So it just feels really good to get outside. It's time since Thursday. FedEx 1346 heavy 767 heading to Memphis. Well, they pushed it back from the gate and they moved it back and they've opened up the doors again. They're loading it up some more. So I have a feeling this probably isn't getting out of here until pretty late tonight. So we're going to head on out, get ready for bed. I got to work tomorrow, plus still dealing with COVID, so I'm going to have to get some rest, take some water, take some medication, and go from there. So I'll just put a video of this thing coming in the past. So I'll put that up here for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button.